Para mas mabilis maluto. Ayan. Ninipisan natin. Ayan. Ayan. Kailangan siguro to. Ayan. Ayan. So, what I'll do, guys, is I'll just carry on doing this now. Tapos, ibabad and then tusok-tusokin. Ayan. Gusto ko kasi manipis lang pag nag-barbecue para mas mabilis maluto. For the next clip, guys, while busy preparing here, me and my children decided to have a samyang challenge. Tignan natin. Oh, guys, that samyang is tumaanghang.
Kuya will like that.
Even myself. Ask you, Kuya, if she can. Oh, my Lord. It's my first time to buy that
Never again.
samyang.
Never again.
Because I bought it because there's no more. Oh my God. Nasamid ako sa anghang. There's no more. Lucky me.
Sheesh.
Can you get me a glass of water, anak?
Too spicy?
It is too spicy.
I didn't even touch any of
And
it.
maybe the boys can eat it. Not us.
My stomach is strong, but it's not that strong.
I know.
Let's see.
Even my eldest cannot take it, the spice. So, I think no one will eat then. Oh, how about you, Justin? Let's see, Justin.
Maybe I can
He can't take it.
go with the rice.
Dude, he's going
Maybe.
red. He's going
Maybe
red.
with the rice though.
Oh, mukbang challenge. Who can take it? The samyang.
Yeah, not me.
Let's see.
Stop blowing on it. If you're gonna take it, just take it.
Kumakagat yung ano ang
I
hang ano.
expect you to go red.
Are you going red as well?
Yeah.
Oh, drink a lot of water.
His ears
What's the
are...
aftertaste? It's like it stays on your tongue. It's like boiling
Yeah.
tongue. It's like it's boiling your tongue.
Yeah, it's just on your tongue.
Yeah,
No-
it sits
noodle-
there.
The noodles is fine by itself, but it just stays on your tongue.
No one can eat it, our samyang. Oh, wow. So, guys, walang nanalo sa aming samyang challenge dito sa bahay. Masyado daw maanghang. Ito na, guys, yung ating barbecue na tinusok-tusok. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin, guys, ay nagkahiwalay yung ano Magawa tayo ng ating pangbabad. Anong pangbabad? No? Based. Yan. Yeah. So, ang gagawin natin na base niya is itong itong ginawa nating yung marinate ba. Lagyan lang natin ng oil. So, habang nag-iihaw, natin, pag binaliktad, i-baste natin. Nagdagan pa natin. Ganun. Yan, parang ayan. So, dagdagan natin ng oil. Ayan. Okay. Ang mga bata na mag-iihaw, hindi pa bumababa. So, ito, nababad na ito guys, buong magdamag. So, malasan na talaga to. Ayan. I will end it up. Ako na naman ba ang mag-iihaw? Ayan. Ang magba-barbecue. This is, ang ginamit ko dito guys is pork shoulder. Pork shoulder steak. Ang ginawa kong barbecue. Ayan. Okay, so magsisiga muna ako. Takpan ko ulit kasi magpapasiga muna ako ng uling. Hindi pa rin. Lakas na ako yan. Sarap pala dito. Aginudo. In Ilocano, aginudo. Pagka may ganyan. Yan, umpisahan na natin. Doon naman sa kabila yung maapoy eh.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
Mukhang may kumakatok na sa pinto. Saglit lang po. Tingnan ko lang baka dumating na sila. Naku, dumating na ang aking mga bisita. Hindi pa ako tapos dito. Kaya ito, mag-antay na lang sila konti.
Ulo mo sa unan, katawan mo ay aking pupumutan. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika.
Nandito ako sa likod.
At night, I think of you.
Dito, yes, sa isang kanya ko yung mga bata na nakapagaling mamaya. Oo.
Like a dream come true.
Sigal ng mga nagliliparan.
Ay, may ibon pala doon sa lapag.
Tapos kinuha ko yung susi. Pagbukas ko ng pinto, nakita ko yung inakay. Nasa tabi ng pinto.
Ohoy.
Yung
Buhay?
ibon na itim ang tuka ay orange.
Ay, nice. Anong ginawa mo, kuya?
Dalawa.
Alagaan mo.
Alagaan mo na lang, kuya.
Kasi baka, ano,
Pinapakain namin.
Tama. Oo.
Meron kaming tray na ganito, na yung sunod-sunod na layer.
Oo.
Naisip ko nasa store, kunin mo kakot yun, ganang gagawin natin kulungan pagsasaklubin natin.
Oo.
O, di yun.
Lagyan mo rin ng bukas kasi kung gusto
Oh,
nilang
butas-butas nga.
kung gusto nilang lumipad-lipad, di okay
Kasi
sila.
kung hindi mo
Malaki
kukunin
yun.
yun,
kakainin ng sigaw.
kakainin na siga
Kawawa
yun.
naman sila.
Kakainin pati ng pusa,
Kakain ng
madalas
pusa.
may umihi doon eh.
Ang daming pusa, yung mga pusa ng kapitbahay namin.
Doon umihi,
Siya
tumatay.
nakikikatok sa inyo. Nagpapatulong. Oh.
Tapos pagkabubusan mo yung ginawa namin ulan, nakanganga ka agad.
Oo, parang nag-aantay sa nanay na subuan. Eh may saging, sabi ko pirutin ko nga yung
Nung
saging.
una, nung unang kuhanin ko, ayaw, nagpupubiglas.
Oh,
Eh ngayon, pag ginawa ka mo, okay na.
okay na siya kasi kilala ka na niya.
Hindi na siya umaano.
Nakilala na.
Alam mo, kuya, ganon. Kasi di ba yung manok namin noon, di ba sisiw pa lang sila? Kaya, ano talaga, kahit nandyan siya, hindi siya lilipad, lalapit pa siya sa'yo.
Oo.
Pag inaanuhan namin.
Tapos nakita ko yung magulang, nakabantay doon sa puno.
Oh,
Sabi ko,
Ayun
"Huwag
yung
kayo-
aking
sabi ko, huwag kayo
ama."
mag-alala. Aalagaan ko muna, tsaka ako na ibibigay sa inyo.
Oo, may ano.
ayan o. Akala ko may ibon sa taas ng bubong nila,
Yung
Oching.
kulay black na...
all done. Thank you for watching. See you again tomorrow in my next video. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.